This is a lens that every photographer should have in their kit. The 24-70mm 2.8. Whether you're just getting started or you've been in the game for years, this lens is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of lenses. It's versatile, reliable, and honestly, it might just save you the headache of carrying a bag full of prime lenses, switching them out all the time, and possibly missing shots. Let me tell you why this lens could completely transform your workflow and help you to create better photos and videos. Have you ever been in a situation where you're out shooting and you're constantly switching lenses? You've got a 24mm for wide shots and a 50mm for portraits and an 80mm for compression, and before you know it, you've missed the moment you wanted to capture because you're always switching your lenses out. That's where this lens comes in. As a solo creator, it can be tough to be able to get all the different shots that you need, and the 24-70 covers the majority of your focal needs, all in one lens. Need to grab a wide establishing shot at 24mm? Got that. Want to zoom in and get some close-ups at 70mm or portraits or get some B-roll? You've got that too. And because it's all in one lens, it's gonna save you time and avoid the hassle of digging around through your bag to pull out another lens. You're putting your bag down, opening it up, finding the lens. Let's be real, your creativity shouldn't be interrupted by your gear. Streamlining your creative process will help you keep creating. The less gear you have will help you from constantly switching between things to trying to find out which focal length you need on your camera, and you're going to lose your train of thought. And the less gear you have, you're going to be able to shoot faster and be more efficient on your shoot. If you're a hybrid shooter, the photographer who also shoots video or the videographer who also shoots photography, you know how it goes. You've got one camera for stills, you've got another one for video, and you're juggling between the two, and it works, but let's be honest, it's a lot of work to keep track of both of those and switch between both systems. Or if you've got both cameras set up the same, still can be kind of a hassle switching between. The beauty of the 24-70 on your camera allows you to use just one camera, and with a quick switch, you can be between high resolution photos to filming your videos and not missing moments fumbling between your cameras. Plus, on the full frame body with at least 30 megapixels, you can crop in during post-production and get the compression that you expect from an 80mm or more without sacrificing that image quality. Using the 1.6 crop will essentially make this lens here a 24 all the way to 112mm at 2.8. And if you're shooting in 4K, you have the ability to punch in without losing too much quality for video work either. Now don't get me wrong, prime lenses have their place for some creators, and if you're after that look of the prime lenses that have the super shallow depth of field like 1.2 or 1.8, then go for a prime. A 50mm 1.2, for example, is a great lens for portraits and isolating your subject. But here's the thing. For most creators, especially if you're working solo like I am, the majority of the time, the versatility of the 24-70mm 2.8 outweighs the niche benefits of those prime lenses. You can capture a wide range of shots quickly without a constant lens swapping or carrying extra weight in your backpack. And when you're out in the field or even just working in your studio, that saved time and effort can make all the difference. Here's what it boils down to. That 24-70mm lens is going to simplify your workflow. You're carrying less gear, spending less time switching lenses, and focusing more on capturing what's in front of you. Whether you're shooting for client work or creating YouTube videos or just capturing moments on a walk through the woods, this lens covers most of the shots most of the time. For me, the biggest benefit is how it lets me stay in the creative flow, and I'm not worried about missing shots because I'm swapping lenses out all the time, fumbling with different cameras, swapping between two different cameras, and honestly, less is more. Because in my case, maybe this is true for you too, less gear means more creating. Everything just works together seamlessly, which means I can spend more time doing what I love, creating videos. Out here on a little photography mission, got the 24-70 on my USR. We're gonna go put it to the test, and the sun is setting out here. So if you're looking to simplify your setup and elevate your work, the 24-70mm lens is the one to beat. It's versatile, it's reliable, and it's game-changing for both photography and videography. And I've seen a lot of people using it this year. Let me know in the comments what your go-to lens is right now, and if you're ready to step up your gear game, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips and reviews, and let me know if you'd like to see more on this lens, and I'll see you in this video next.